What's going on, family? So I had to clear some of my space up and I did get a chance to show y'all the rest of the image. So I wanted to be able to show you all of these defects. So I'm gonna step back. I think we was right here. We left off here, so let's go right here. So we got some concave going on right here. And it'll tell you right here where it's too much current. The arc length is too long, the root face too short. Let me zoom in on that so y'all can see that. So there's a few things to look for. Like I say, I want you to be real familiar with what's going on. Non-uniformity. Okay, look at that. Just boop, 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 boop. You know, it's like, you know, sometimes I think, you know, when you start out and you're not comfortable with yourself, you tend to go everywhere. I done seen people just go around, but you have to gotta get sturdy and learn how to control the rod. You know, learn how to control it, how to bend it if you need to, how to keep your angle at your 15 degrees or whatever you need, depends on what position you're in, you know. And maintain it. See, I like how it say maintain consistent travel speed. You want to be consistent, you know, just like driving, you know what I mean? If you're driving on the highway and the speed limit is say 45 and you're going 65, you might get an issue. So you at least want to try to maintain your speed, you know, especially in areas where you know people are really going to be watching. So this is improper leg size. And as you see, you got more penetration here, less here. So you want to try to have this equal. And it showed one, well, up here. Actually, here go a good one where it shows actually it was kind of equal here, but he had some undercut. So everything was going good as far as the penetration and all that, but you know, wasn't paying attention to the undercut. And I think when you're doing it, when you're starting out, man, you have to learn how to pay attention to everything. Just kind of like driving a car. I always like to use that example because you're paying attention to other drivers. You're paying attention to your vehicle, the sounds, making sure everything, you kind of like in your zone. But you're watching a few things at one time. I'm just stepping back so y'all can actually see the full image. Just in case we do have some issues and I lose, you can be able to see everything. And like I say, I need to get some more of these, and I actually got another one that shows you how to position your arc when you do it. So I'm gonna have to get that together, and I'll probably do a video on that next. Don't know about today though, but I eventually get one on there. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna look at this overlap, and as you see, this is here, and travel speed too slow. So that can most definitely come from that because what you're doing is you're burning more rod off. So you're adding more metal than what is needed in a specific area. So think of it like this. So if I sit here and I just burn this rod here, it's going to start piling up and it's going to start looking, you know, deformed. But, you know, if you stay consistent, it's going to always be better. So just keep that in mind. And we got the arc strikes. I'm going to zoom in because I think I'm going to run out of space.